Hello, trading is closed on September 25th, 2019. Go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low. We got that. Said the commonest thing would be a gap and the prompt move outside the day's range. We got that. The gap and the prompt move don't have to be in the same direction, even though that's the commonest way for it to happen. MEJT says this whole rally is going to retrace and gives us these targets. Early on it said this rally's false, going to retrace to this line. We got buy signals here. They've been satisfied. Ultimately, lower prices should print, and even without that signal, this whole move is marked as false, and there are your targets. Well, here's what we said. We should have a gap and a prompt move outside the day's range. Futures were up pretty smartly when I recorded it. Commonest way is to gap down, but that's not what happened. So how are these targets going to print? Well, it's impossible to be certain of the wave count at this point, but here's what I'm using. This is ABC, the complete blue B, and we're in blue C. There is a fib explanation for the market having a bottom here, and at some point this should be wave black B, and then we have wave black C. Now with lower targets, is there any way to count this as black B? Of course, it could be A or B, you don't know. Well, if there's no count, it probably isn't, but there is a count you can use. Doesn't mean it's only, just because there's a count doesn't mean it's right, but at least it's plausible. You can count this. These are all pretty clear three-wave structures, every one of them. And you got some good relationships, and you've got a reversal par right at a number, which by somebody else's work is a strong resistance point. So if we do see the lower MEJT targets, at least there is an explanation. Again, it could be either black B or maybe gray A of black B. But in any case, if we don't gap up, these are the numbers I want to see print. This one by early Friday and this higher one by tomorrow. So here's what we'll say. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Usually it's a rally day with a high on the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. Today's rally didn't negate the negative implications of yesterday's low to high day failure to finish strong. When you get a day which should be low to high and it goes down instead, it's a fairly reliable sign that lower prices are coming, and usually, not always, they're lower than this. MEJT has lower targets unless we gap up smartly. Expect to see them print by early Friday. The favored wave count, not the only one, says we could be in for a very tradable drop here over the next few days to weeks. But after that, it should be followed by an even stronger rally to new all-time highs. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, but if we don't gap up smartly, here are the targets, and that's today's call.